What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share a good story of one of my friend. So there were two of these guys who started freelancing while they were at college, right? Who used to write blogs for different companies. A lot of companies have products and they want people to write blogs for them, right? So these two people started freelancing and they wrote a lot of blogs for a bunch of companies. And then one of these guys worked for Your Story during his summers as a summer intern, wrote some articles, understood how the content industry works, and then eventually he was like, hey, India में बहुत सारे freelancers है. There are a lot of these content writers, and you have a lot of these huge brands like Your Story, you have Mahindra, Amazon, all of these huge brands which want content, which want blogs, which want articles, which want website copies, like a bunch of things, everything and anything that involves marketing on text. These guys require it, right? So this one guy was like, what if I'm able to connect all of these freelancers with these brands that want articles, with these brands that want blogs, etc. And he made a company wherein he brought in all of these freelancers together and then served these brands. So Amazon, Facebook, all these huge brands, they wrote blogs for them and built out a huge freelancing business that's worth multiple crores today. And the person is Anirudh Singla and Rishabh Shekhar from Pepper Content. So Pepper Content is the startup that these guys started back in second year of college. Right now, they've raised quite a lot of money. I think they've raised over 40 crores and they're doing pretty well. So I want to share the story with you because a lot of us think that freelancing is something that you just do in college. You just sort of do it as a side hustle. But these guys just revolutionized it, and instead of just doing it as a part-time job, they transformed it into a full-fledged business, right? And this is a very inspiring story of this college student who started freelancing as a content writer and just turned the entire content game. He just changed the entire content game in India and became one of the leading freelancing companies in the content creation space. So that's Anirudh Singla, and here's a clip of me and a bunch of other friends talking about Anirudh, about how he got started with freelancing and how he built this huge over 100 crore company. And hope this does give you some insights and some inspiration, and also motivates you guys to start small but then eventually one day do something that's massive and has a great impact. So do give it a watch, and I'm going to play the clip now. Yeah, I just want to add like a short story of one of my friends, Anirudh Singla. He runs Pepper Content, and he started off freelancing in second year of college. He interned at Your Story. I heard that he cold emailed 30 times before getting the internship, but then he got this internship. He understood content writing really well, and then he worked for a bunch of US clients. Just writing blogs. And I think he was able to earn like 2 lakhs a month through just writing blogs for them. And that's when he realized the potential of the outsourced work, right, working from India and doing stuff for other countries. And then he found this potential in content writing and blogging. He saw there's a huge gap in it, started expanding his team, so built like a marketplace where anyone can apply, become a content writer, and these guys would connect you with a bunch of startups, and eventually grew it, right? So right now they're at I think 650 plus clients. They raised their recent Series A for 4.2 million and doing pretty well. So I think the potential of freelancing is massive, especially when you just sort of try to scale it up and productize it. It could sometimes even become like a full-fledged startup.
My only suggestion to anybody going to college is just figure out any side hustle. It doesn't matter what it is, right? Don't think of it as something that can go big or can earn you money or anything. Just something that you're good at, and there needs to be a monetary angle. You should be charging money and you should be getting paid. You shouldn't be doing anything for free, for sure. But go out and do something. Go out and build something. You have 4 years. Even if it takes 1 year to pick up a new skill, you have still 3 years to market that skill and do something interesting. So I have a younger brother who's in 12th, and one of my things that I keep telling him is it doesn't matter what college you get into, right? Like, it doesn't matter at this point in time. You're probably in that transition period where 10 years later colleges are not going to matter at all. There'll be other forms of, like, coming together and personality development and all of that. But unfortunately for you, you have to go to college, because I'm not risk taking enough to say don't go to college. But when you go there, just go out and figure out what you enjoy doing and charge money and actually try and build something around that. So much more learning than what we learn in college around fluid mechanics and thermodynamics and whatnot. I don't know where you use that anymore, but yeah.
So I'm not sure if you guys know, but there's a person called Balaji Srinivasan. He's a CTO. He used to be the CTO of Coinbase. I think he still is, and he's a huge guy in the Bitcoin space. He's a very active angel investor as well, and he says that India has this huge untapped potential of human capital. What that means is यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग हैं कि you can just do so much of software development. You can do so much of pretty much any kind of work at very low costs compared to Western countries, right? And the game of outsourcing has been there for quite a long time. Wipro, TCS, Infosys, ये सब लोग outsourced jobs करते हैं, right? They bring in projects from outside from Western countries because Western countries में salaries वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. तो on India they can do it at a fraction of the cost, and that's what they've been doing for years. So Balaji Srinivasan says that even right now, India has that advantage. So if you're able to sort of get a lot of these foreign countries to invest in India, to give you projects, to give you work, then India can do it in a fraction of a cost. Not only does it help its economy, it helps in getting in money, right? For sure. It makes you richer because mostly Western countries and other developed countries have a much higher currency ka denomination. So India becomes richer, and thus the economy sort of grows and helps everyone. So this is what his philosophy is, and I think even Pepper Content is a company that's really, really focused towards this mission. Balaji Srinivasan is like one of the angel investors in Pepper, so I'm pretty sure these guys would become like a global company where any sort of startup or a company that has content requirements that wants to get blogs done or graphic design done, they'll approach Pepper, and then these guys will take care of it. So pretty good startup, do check it out, and a huge inspiration for you guys because they started when they were in college, in first and second year of college. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like the video, and if you do want me to make some more videos like this, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Do let me know what you want to watch next, and hit the like button. Do join our community. We have really smart people coming in, giving talks. We have nice events happening in. You can practice English if you want. You can do pretty much everything under the roof. We are just trying to democratize college education. If you're not from a good college or something, don't worry. Cliniify has got you covered. It'll provide you one of the best sorts of entertainment and education possible. So do join the community. It'll be super fun. You'll learn a lot and you'll move ahead in your career. Take care. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.